Water, it covers over 70% of our planet. It falls from the sky, carves through mountains and crashes against our shores with immense power. But water's strength isn't limited to the natural world. It's also the lifeblood coursing through our veins, a fundamental element that sustains us. Think about it. You can go weeks without food, but only days without water. Why? Because water is much more than just a thirst quencher. It's essential for every single cell, tissue, and organ in our bodies. From the top of our heads to the tips of our toes, water is constantly at work, keeping us alive and functioning. But what exactly does water do inside our bodies that makes it so incredibly important? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of H2O within us. Imagine you're looking at a human body as a whole. The first thing you might notice is its overall shape and size. But look closer beyond the surface and you'll find an intricate network of systems all working together, and at the heart of it all is water. Our bodies are surprisingly fluid. A newborn baby is about 75% water, almost as watery as a watermelon. As we grow, that percentage decreases slightly. By the time we're adults, we consist of around 55 to 60% water, depending on factors like age, gender, and body composition. But water isn't evenly distributed throughout the body. Some organs have a higher water content than others. For example, the brain and lungs are about 80% water, highlighting their dependence on this precious liquid. Our blood, responsible for transporting nutrients and oxygen, is about 90% water. Even our bones, which seem solid and rigid, contain about 31% water, demonstrating its essential role in maintaining their structure. Now that we know how much of our bodies are made up of water, let's explore the crucial roles it plays in keeping us alive and functioning. Water isn't just passively present, it's a dynamic force constantly at work. One of water's most important functions is lubrication. It acts like a cushion for our joints, allowing for smooth movement and preventing friction between bones. Water also keeps our eyes moist, enabling us to see clearly. Even our digestive system relies on water to move food through our intestines and eliminate waste. Water is also the body's natural temperature regulator. When we get hot, we sweat, and the evaporation of sweat cools us down. This process is essential for maintaining a stable internal body temperature, even in extreme heat. Beyond lubrication and temperature control, water plays a vital role in nutrient delivery. It acts as a solvent, dissolving essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients from our food and transporting them through the bloodstream to every cell in our bodies. Without water, our cells wouldn't receive the nourishment they need to function. Section 4. Dehydration and its consequences. Every day we lose water through essential bodily functions like breathing, sweating, and urination. This water loss is perfectly normal, but it's crucial to replenish it by drinking fluids and consuming foods rich in water. When we don't consume enough water, we can become dehydrated. Dehydration occurs when our bodies lose more water than we take in. It can happen gradually, especially during hot weather or strenuous exercise, or it can occur rapidly due to illness or inadequate fluid intake. Recognizing the symptoms of dehydration is crucial. Early signs include thirst, dry mouth, fatigue, and headache. As dehydration progresses, symptoms can worsen, leading to dizziness, confusion, rapid heartbeat, and decreased urination. Severe dehydration can even be life-threatening. One of the most alarming effects of dehydration is its impact on the brain. Our brains are about 80% water, and even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function, affecting our mood, concentration, and alertness. Section 5. Staying hydrated, a necessity for life. Given water's essential role in our survival, staying adequately hydrated is vital for our health and well-being. But how much water do we really need to drink each day? While the old adage of drinking 8 glasses a day is a good starting point, our individual water needs can vary depending on factors like our activity level, climate, and overall health. A good rule of thumb is to listen to your body and drink fluids throughout the day, especially when you feel thirsty. Remember that many fruits and vegetables are also excellent sources of water, so incorporating them into your diet can contribute to your daily fluid intake. Staying properly hydrated offers a multitude of benefits. Not only does it keep our bodies functioning optimally, but it also contributes to clearer skin, improved digestion, and increased energy levels. Some studies even suggest that proper hydration may play a role in reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases. In conclusion, water is much more than just a beverage, it's the essence of life itself. Understanding the importance of water in our bodies and making a conscious effort to stay hydrated is one of the simplest yet most profound things we can do for our overall health and well-being. So, raise a glass of water, of course, to the incredible power of H2O.